Hello everybody. We're going to go ahead and do a lesson on how to create a diagraph from the start. So if you want to follow me along on page 435 in Unit 6 in Math 2, we're going to talk about how to build a prerequisite table before we get started on creating a diagraph. So I'm going to go ahead and have you guys follow along again, like I said, and here are the tasks that are going to be needing to be done on this problem for a spring dance. So, according to the problem, the task that needs to be done just before booking the band is choosing the location and choosing a theme. The next thing is the task that needs to be done just before designing the poster or booking the band and arranging for decorations. And there are no tasks need to be done just before choosing and reserving the location, so that's kind of an important one. So the task that needs to be done just before displaying the poster is designing the poster. And there are no tasks that needs to be done just before choosing a theme. Again, that's probably going to be something that we're going to go right back to. The task that needs to be done just before arranging for decoration is choosing a theme. So I have a little chart here. So we talked about the fact that there are a couple of tasks that need to be done and there are no prerequisites. So we're going to look at the task that needs to be, there are no tasks that needs to be done just before choosing and reserving the location. So let me put my worksheet right here, and we can do this together. So again, here, there are no tasks to be done before choosing and reserving the location. So if you go here at the table, I'm going to go ahead and put choosing and reserving the location. There are no other tasks, so none. And then here, there is one other thing, is there are no tasks that needs to be done just before choosing a theme. So again, before choosing a theme, there are no additional tasks that need to be done before, so no prerequisite. And then the book kind of gave us a hint of right here, L and T. So if we look through the problem, we can see that, let's see what are the tasks that needs to be done. So if we go L and T, these are the immediate prerequisite for booking a DJ. So L was choosing a location. And here T was choosing a theme. So immediately after doing these two things, you could book a band. So that's what it means. So going back to this list, you can see that tasks that need to be done just before booking a band is choosing a location and theme. So check, that's done. The task that needs to be done just before designing a poster are booking a band and arranging for decoration. So booking a band and arranging for decoration, booking a band and designing a poster, arranging for decoration is done just before, so designing the poster. So there you go, sorry about that. Then we already did this one, so we got 1, 2, 3 done, and the next one is the task that needs to be done just before displaying the poster is design the poster. So okay, sorry. Again here, before displaying the poster, you have to design the poster. So if you go here, before displaying the poster, you need to design the poster. There you go. Okay, so one more time, we've got almost all done here, but we've got one more to go. So there's this task right here. Again, there are no tasks to be done, so we checked. We already did that. The next one is the task needs to be done just before arranging for decoration is choosing a theme. So choosing a theme. So right here, arranging for decoration, we need to choose a theme. So that is T, so that's the task that needs to be done just before that. So as you can see, once we have that prerequisite table, we can go ahead and start creating our diagraph. Grab this and put it on a flat surface. So looking at this table, you can see that there's two tasks that required no prerequisite. So at the start, you can see that there are two tasks, so we can branch off into two different tasks, which is L and T. So that's the location and theme. After you're done with that, you can see the prerequisite. Booking a band, there are two prerequisites here that come to it. So I would need to draw both. Draw two arrows to that coming into booking a band, because there are two prerequisites. There are two prerequisites. So there are two arrows. We also know that we can design the poster after booking the band. So you can put a D there. You can also see that we can go ahead and display the poster afterwards. Again, seeing that little table. And then here, from the theme, though, we got one more decorations, and we can clearly see that we need to arrange for decoration. And you notice that right here, there were two tasks that come in. So we only had one so far. So where's that second task coming from? Right here. Arrange for decoration. So there are the two arrows that is going into designing the poster. So if you can see that. And then lastly, again, we see that P for displaying poster, and then we are finished with our task.